Yo, what's up, guys? Check it out. I did a little Amazon shopping. You guys ever do a little Amazon shopping? Amazon warehouse deals, okay? This is what happens. When you shop on Amazon, you get in trouble. You start finding stuff. You start ordering stuff. Next thing you know, you have Power Rangers coming to your house. Anyway, check it out. These are like $8-9. Got the Black Ranger, the Red Ranger. You got the Blue Ranger. I couldn't find the yellow or the pink. I don't even know if they make them. But, you know, this is enough. Check out the back. Go Power Rangers. Mega Mighties. Now, when you shop on Amazon warehouse deals, it is kind of like maybe like a used product. Sometimes you get like new, but the box is damaged. But other than that, it's pretty cool. So we got the Black Ranger. You got Zach here. So it looks like you could put like a weapon or something in there. Now these don't come with weapons. You got like an open fist, open palm. Head swivels pretty good. Try and get him out. Nothing like playing with your toys in the yard. Alright, we got him out. As you can see, there's some bad paint job defects. But it's from China, what do you expect? It's pretty lightweight figure. His arm swivel. His wrist swivel. Rotate his legs. His legs really don't do anything. His waist swivels. That's pretty cool. Let's open up the Blue Ranger for Billy. Got good detail on the belt though. I don't know what that is, but I don't know if someone had ordered this and sent it back. But that's why it's called Amazon Warehouse Deals. This is not a promotion. I just like saying that. Check them out. Little flaw right there. Now he has two closed fists. And you got Zach with one closed fist. And an open hand. Last but not least, Jason, the Red Ranger, leader of the crew. Check out his build. These are actually in the container pretty secure. So he has like a karate chop type move. Yeah, I'm really digging these. So not the best paint jobs, but you know, for $8-9 a piece. Yeah, I'm curious if they make the Pink Ranger and the Yellow Ranger. But these are really cool. I would say they're about 12-inch, 10-inch figures. These are from Hasbro. Playskool Heroes. www.playschoolheroes.com. You can go check them out. Mega Mighties. There's the artwork on the side. Yeah, I figure I add this to my Power Ranger collection. Something simple. Nothing crazy. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Hit that like button. These are actually really cool in the sun. Super happy. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment. Have a good life.